welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss JEE Main NEET Class 12 Physics Semiconductor Devices Problems on Logic Gates. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Let us go to the today's session. First one. The circular diagram shown here corresponds to the logic gate. See, observe this diagram, circular diagram. When both the switches are open, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then current flows through the bulb and it glows, so Y is equals to 1. Now, first situation is when both switches are open. So that is A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0. Then current flows through the bulb and it glows. So output Y is equals to 1. When the switch A is open and B is closed. So that is A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1. The total current passes through the switch B and no current flows through the bulb. So it will not glow. So Y is equals to 0. So similarly, when A is closed and B is 0, nothing but open. So and B is equals to 0, nothing but B open. Bulb does not glow. Then in output Y is also equal to 0. So next, when A is 1, when A is equals to 1, nothing but it is closed, and B is equals to 0. So B is here, in this case we are taking B is also equal to 1. It is also closed. First situation, A is equals to 0, B is equal to 0, nothing but both the switches are open. Then Y is equals to 1. Second situation, switch A is open and B is closed. So then output Y is equals to 0. The third situation, when A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 0, then bulb does not glow, then output Y is also equal to 0. So now the fourth situation, when A is equal to 1 and B is equals to 1, no current flows through the bulb and it does not glow. So Y is equals to 0. The output is high only when both the inputs are low, which represents a NOR gate. So the output is high only when both the inputs are low, which represents a NOR gate. Okay, the option is NOR gate. Now let us go to the next question. The logic circuit shown below has the input waveforms A and B as shown. Pick out the correct output waveform. See this? This is the logic circuit and these are the input waveforms. We have to pick out the correct output waveform. Now here A bar, and here also A bar. Now output y is equals to A bar plus B bar, bar is equals to A dot B bar. Now this can be written as y is equals to A dot B. This given circuit represents an AND gate. So this given circuit represents an AND gate. So this is the circuit represents complete AND gate. Okay. Now which option correct waveform we'll discuss now. A, here 0 0 and here 0 1 1. Option B, 0 1 0 1 0. Now output, correct output is 0, and here also 0 and 0, here 1 0. Okay, so the correct option is first option is correct. So option 1 is correct. Okay, next we'll go to the next question. The truth table for the circuit given in the figure is, this is now we have to calculate the truth table for the circuit given this figure. Now let us calculate. Here A and here B and here A plus B. Now output y is equals to A dot A plus B bar. Now A is equals to 0, A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0, then y is equals to, first situation A is equals to 0, B is equals to 0, then y is equals to 0 dot 0 plus 0 bar, so that is equals to 0 bar, that is equals to 1. Next second situation, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, then y is equals to 0 dot 0 plus 1 bar, so that is equals to 0 bar, that is equals to 1. Third situation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then y is equals to 1 dot 1 plus 0 bar, so that is equal to 1 bar, that is equal to 0. Next A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then y is equals to 1 dot 1 plus 1 bar, so that is equal to 1 bar, that is equal to 0. So correct option is 4. So the correct option is 4. Okay, next we will go to the next question. The following represents, here now see this, this is the logic circuit, and here this logic circuit represents either OR gate or XOR gate or AND gate or NAND gate. We will discuss now. Let us go to the solution. Y dash is equals to a bar dot b. Y double dash is equals to a dot b bar. Now total y is equals to y dash plus y double dash, that is equals to a bar dot b plus a dot b bar. So the above Boolean equation represents XOR gate. So the above Boolean equation represents XOR gate. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. The output of the given logic circuit is, see this, here A and here output y dash, and here A, B, here a bar dot b, this is output, and here y, this is y double dash, and this is b. Now let us go to the solution. Y dash is equals to a dot a bar dot b bar, that is equals to a bar dot a plus b bar, so that is equals to a bar plus b bar bar, so that is equals to a bar plus a plus b. So y dash is equals to phi of a bar plus a plus b, so that is equals to 1 plus a bar plus a plus b, that is equals to 1 plus b is equals to 1. Next one, y double dash is equals to a bar dot b bar plus b. So now y is equals to y dash plus y double dash, so that is equals to 1 dot a bar dot b bar plus b, that is equals to total bar 1 bar plus a bar dot b bar plus b, that is equals to 1 bar plus a bar plus b bar dot b bar. Output y is equals to 1 bar plus a plus b dot b bar. Now next, y is equals to 1 bar nothing but 0 plus a dot b bar, a dot b bar plus b dot b bar, so that is equals to 0 plus a dot b bar plus 0. So final output is y is equals to a dot b bar. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. Select the output y of the combination of gates shown in figure for the inputs a is equals to 1, b is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0. Now see this figure. Now I will go to the solution. Here when a is equals to, here output, this is for example this is y dash and it is y double dash and this is y. Now first we will discuss first situation, case 1. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 0, then y dash is equals to a dot b bar. Here this represents A bar dot B bar. So that is equals to, substituting A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0. So that is equals to 1 bar dot 1 bar, that is equal to 0. Next, Y double dash is equals to A bar dot B bar dot B, that is equals to 1 dot 0 bar dot 0 bar. So that is equals to 1 dot 0 bar is equal to 1. Y is equals to Y dash plus Y double dash. So now that is equals to 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Next situation, when A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1, Y dash is equals to 1 dot 1 bar, that is equals to 1 dot 0 is equal to 1. Y double dash is equals to 1 dot 1 bar dot 1 bar, that is equal to 0 dot 1, that is equal to 1. Next, Y is equals to Y dash plus Y double dash, that is equals to 1 plus 1, that is equals to, here Y dash 1 and Y double dash is also equal to 1. So now first we'll go to the third case, when Y is equals to, here third situation, when A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, Y dash is equals to 0 dot 0 bar, that is equals to 0 dot 1, that is equal to 0 bar, that is equal to 1. Next, Y double dash is equal to 0 dot 0 bar is equals to 1 dot 0 bar, that equal to 0 bar, that equal to 1. So the correct option is 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay. Next, we will go to the next question. The logic gates giving output 1 for the inputs of 1 and 0 are, see this, the logic gates giving output 1 for the inputs of 1 and 0. Now we'll go to the solution. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, so this indicates OR gate. Y is equals to output A plus B. So 1 plus 1 dot 0 bar is equal to 0 bar, that equal to 1. This is a NAND gate. So then output Y is equals to A dot B bar. Okay. So the correct option is NAND and OR gates. So correct option is NAND and OR gates. Okay. Next, we will go to the next question. The inputs and outputs for different time interval are given below for NAND gate. Now here, what are the values of P, Q, R and S? See this, time intervals, input A, input B and output Y. Now I will discuss. Here O, P, Q, R, S. Time taken by O, P, Q, R, S. This is outputs of P, Q, R and S. I will go to the solution. For NAND gate, Y is equals to A dot B bar. For AB, now we have to calculate the values of P, Q or S taken by P, Q or S. Now first one, for A comma B. First A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 1. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, and Y is equals to 0 bar 0 dot 1 bar, that is equal to 0 bar, that is equals to 1, that is P. Next, for A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0 bar dot, that is equals to 0 bar, that is equal to 1, this is for Q. And for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 1 dot 0 bar, that is equal to 0 bar, that is equal to 1 for this R. And next, for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then Y is equal to 1 dot 1 bar, that is equal to 1 bar, that is equal to 0, this is for S. So the correct option is 1, 1, 1, 0 is correct option. Okay. Next, we will go to the next question. The output Y for the logic circuit shown in the figure is, so now we have to calculate the output Y for the logic circuit. So observe this logic circuit, and here A bar and here also B bar. This output A bar dot B bar, bar is equals to A plus B bar, so that is equals to A plus B. Here this is another one, C bar. So for this here A bar dot B bar, bar is equals to A plus B bar, that is equals to A plus B. Now here this is A plus B, this is C bar, so the output Y is equals to A plus B dot C bar. So which option is correct? First option is correct. So the first option is correct. The correct option is 1. So correct option is, first option is correct. That is output Y is equals to A plus B dot C bar. Now we will go to the next question. If A, B, C and D are inputs to a gate and X is its output, then as per the following time graph, the gate is. So here, as per the time graph, which gate, by using this graph we will discuss now. So this is a graph they given here, 0, D is equal to 0, and here 0, and this B is equal to 0. Here we have to take 0, 1. So 0, 1, 0, here 0. So the output is 0 only when both inputs are 0 in OR gate. So the gate is OR gate. Fourth option is correct. The output is 0 only when both inputs are 0 in OR gate. So the gate is OR gate. So the gate, as per the time graph, the gate is OR gate. Okay, so fourth option is correct. Thanks for watching this video.